for my wrongs, I have just begun. Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy.
What's up, guys? AntC123 here, and back at you with another video. We need to be under here. We're now at.
Hey guys, it is
Pure Tricks 2. We are now at Final Friday. Well, we are going to Final Friday actually. It's a thing in Oakley where it's the last Friday of the month, and we're pretty cool because we have fidget spinners. We're about to be so trendy. We're gonna go up to random people and show them our fidget spinners. We're gonna see if they like it. This is like a prank, but not really. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is about to be the new trend of YouTube. Let's get.
Oh, I just got it from Walmart, dude. They're so cute.
Huh? Do you remember?
Go get that guy. Go get that guy. He's about to get this guy.
You like my fidget spinner?
Very nice.
Thanks.
Hey, this could be.
Gnarly, dude. Go. Frank's going. Frank's going. He flicked you off. Go. He's gonna beat us out. Dude, he went up to that car and asked him, and they just fucking flipped. I hope I did. They just flipped him off. Oh my god.
Dude, I was just trying to fidget, dude.
Yeah, we were just trying to show him the trendy topic nowadays, and the guy flipped him off. Got it. I'm gonna have to blur that out for the AntC channel. Hold on. We're about to go to the. Hey. You like fidget spinners? This is.
We're not filming, I promise.
No, this is an interview. Do you like fidget spinners? Just impressing the ladies, you know?
Yeah.
Trendy topics. Let's go.
Go!
Dude, that was the greatest.
She was like, yeah, dude.
Dude, she digs me. She loves me. She has a hot for me.
I'm about to scream with this.
Go.
My lungs in the...
He's gonna scream at the top of his lungs into CVS. He's just gonna open the door and scream. Ready?
Should we like run around the back?
Sure.
Let's just run that way.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, we gotta dip. Hurry up. Go. Ah! Hurry up. Prank's going wrong. We gotta dip. Oh my god. Dude, that was freaking hilarious.
Trendy?
Oh my god. How do you feel?
Trendy.
Go. Hey, look at you.
Hello. This is just a casual day with me and Coletta.
He like turned around like he was about to beat some kid.
Dude.
Lady. Are you on ghost pepper?
Ah!
I'm spicy. Keep up lines.
Keep going. Wait, let's go this way.
Oh, yeah.
Do you need an Uber?
I can give you a lift if you know what I mean.
Dude, I'm still filming. Let's just walk around. Coletta, where are you going?
Hey, hold on. Wait. Right when the walking turn. Wait, pause video until the walking turns.
All right, we'll be right back with you after we pause.
And you're going down.
Okay, guys, we are leaving Final Fridays right now. All right, what do you have to say, Coletta?
I was Ninja Nick / Karate Kid down here. Ooh, I wanted to see one of the naked karate girls. That's my next.
Shut up.
Next thing I want.
The guys, there's this band called Naked Karate Girls.
Oh, I got this. Hey, don't. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
I should have banged on the window. Tappity tap tap.
Bang on it, bang on it.
Yeah, boy.
You're a dumbass.
Hey! Yeah! Woohoo, Bengals! Let's go! Roethlisberger! Yeah!
Yeah, boy.
Is my dad in there? Hey, what's up, bro? Dude,
What up,
don't
dog?
have the naked karate girls down there.
You a Jeep.
It's only, hey, there's the naked karate girls down there. It's only good if they're naked, right?
You a dumbass. Why are you running?
Yeah! All of a sudden they turn back around and they come back and they're like,
Hey, bro, what you say to me, bro?
what are those hand signals you did? Why'd you do this?
Dude, this video is gonna offend so many people.
Yeah!
Yes!
Yeah!
I love how we're just filming these people drive.
Put the freaking camera away. Get up.
Bro, why are you filming me, bro? You better put that camera away. You a G. Alright, guys, so this is gonna end off this video.
Make sure to hit 20 likes if you like these pranks, bro.
Alright, so guys.
We almost died, guys. People could have beaten us up.
Okay, guys, so
And
I
I
am
almost got that
Pure
one
Trick.
girl.
That is
I
Nancy123.
should have asked for her number.
We're signing off today, guys. So basically what happened was we did a few pranks.
Hopefully you
He
guys
wanted, I did not consent these pranks at home.
Oh my god.
That was all him, not me. He
I'm not that
made
good of an
me.
influence anymore, I guess.
He made me do this thing, so. Guys, make sure you unsubscribe from Coletta and subscribe to Pure Tricks,
Dude, they came in-
PR3TRICKS. Follow me on Instagram, Pure Tricks, PUR3TRIX. Unfollow Coletta. Yeah, that's basically the video. So, yeah, subscribe to me. Bye.